Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to spread mycelium in Minecraft. First, understand that mycelium spreads to dirt blocks that are directly next to it, within a 1-block horizontal and 1-block vertical range. For the spread to occur, the target dirt block needs a light level of 9 or greater. Simply place a mycelium block adjacent to any regular dirt block, and the magic will begin. It's a straightforward process once you know the conditions. To create the ideal environment for mycelium to spread, always ensure your target dirt blocks receive ample light. A light level of 9 or higher is absolutely crucial for the conversion to happen. Remember, the dirt must be immediately next to an existing mycelium block. If there are any solid blocks above your dirt, they might block the necessary light, so clear them out. This setup guarantees the best chance for rapid growth. Want to speed up the mycelium spreading process? One trick players use is to till dirt blocks into farmland with a hoe, then revert them back to regular dirt. While not guaranteed, this can sometimes encourage the mycelium to spread a bit quicker. Also, creating expansive, flat surfaces of dirt blocks provides more opportunities for the mycelium to expand simultaneously, covering a larger area in less time. Every little bit helps. Finally, here are some important tips for spreading mycelium. It's crucial to know that mycelium will not spread to certain block types like coarse dirt, rooted dirt, or dirt paths. Only regular dirt works. Double-check your light levels to ensure they are at least 9. If it's not spreading, light is often the culprit. Remember, patience is a virtue. Mycelium spreads naturally over time, so give it a little while to do its thing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.